When you step out onto the firing line, few cartridges command as much universal respect as the .308 Winchester. It is the gold standard for long-range precision, standard issue military deployments, and serious big-game hunting. For anyone looking to transition from rimfire plinking to true centerfire authority, choosing your first .308 platform is a critical milestone. Today, we are breaking down the definitive countdown of the top platforms available on the market in 2020. 6 tailored specifically to give new shooters the perfect balance of manageable recoil, mechanical reliability, and out-of-the-box accuracy. Our countdown will navigate through budget-friendly bolt actions all the way to heavy, hitting semi-automatic platforms, and you will want to stay tuned until the very end, because our number one pick is a legendary combat-proven icon that might just surprise you. Before we chamber that first round, make sure you are locked into the channel so you never miss our deep dives into weapon systems and ballistic performance. Let us get into the countdown. Number 6. The Ruger American Rifle. Stepping into the market at a highly accessible retail price of approximately $550 in 2026, this platform represents one of the most mechanically sound entry points for a novice marksman. The core engineering relies on a heavy-duty cold hammer, forged barrel that ensures superb harmonic consistency and tight group sizes right out of the box. Ruger incorporates their proprietary marksman adjustable trigger system, giving users the ability to safely fine-tune the trigger pull weight between 3 and 5 pounds to match their personal comfort level. From an ergonomic standpoint, the rifle utilizes a lightweight, rugged synthetic stock equipped with molded, in patent, pending bedding blocks that positively lock the receiver in place. The feeding system relies on a flush-fit, detachable rotary magazine that ensures perfectly smooth cycling, without adding unnecessary bulk to the belly of the rifle. The action itself operates via a robust 3-lug bolt assembly, boasting a short 70-degree bolt lift, which provides ample clearance for large optics, and prevents your knuckles from slamming into your scope housing during rapid manipulation. The exterior interface features aggressive, textured grooves along the pistol grip and the forend, ensuring a rock-solid non-slip hold regardless of whether you are dealing with pouring rain or sweat-slicked hands. For immediate optic integration, the receiver comes factory drilled and tapped, complete with pre-installed scope bases to streamline your initial setup. The Ruger American remains an absolute benchmark for beginners who demand flawless structural execution, immense versatility, and sub-MOA potential without draining their bank account. Number 5. The Savage Axis. Coming in at a highly competitive retail price point of roughly $450, the Savage Axis is an engineered marvel for budget-conscious shooters who refuse to compromise on downrange accuracy. The foundation of its precision lies in a completely free-floated carbon steel barrel featuring meticulous button rifling that optimizes bullet stability as it leaves the muzzle. This platform is highlighted by the famous user-adjustable ACA-trigger system, which utilizes a built-in safety blade to deliver a crisp break-like glass release that prevents shooter anticipation and pulling. The structural framework features an ultra-durable synthetic stock designed to endure punishing field environments without warping or shifting the rifle's point of impact. The bolt-action mechanism works with a smooth, low-effort throw that allows a novice to master the fundamentals of manual cycling quickly and confidently. Cartridges are fed through a reliable 4-round detachable box magazine that locks securely into place, completely eliminating feeding errors or double feed issues. Savage paid careful attention to human engineering by sculpting ergonomic contours into the grip and forend for a highly natural point of aim. To mitigate the sharp impulse of the .308 cartridge, the stock features specialized recoil pad vents designed to compress and absorb directional energy, saving your shoulder during long days at the range. The receiver arrives pre-configured, drilled, and tapped for standard scope mounts, making it an incredibly user-friendly out-of-the-box solution that delivers top-tier value per dollar. Number 4. The Remington 700. Holding its position as an absolute legend in the bolt-action world, a standard current production Remington 700 commands a retail price starting around $900 depending on the specific trim package. This rifle is legendary among military sniper units and law enforcement sharpshooters due to its heavy-duty cold hammer, forged barrel, and ultra-rigid steel receiver. The heart of the rifle is built around the famous 3 rings of steel design, which completely surrounds the cartridge head with the bolt face, the barrel, and the receiver for unmatched structural safety. The current generation features an upgraded, fully adjustable trigger assembly that allows shooters to customize the break weight to achieve the perfect tactile response. The rifle is widely distributed in both traditional American walnut configurations and advanced weather-resistant synthetic stocks, allowing beginners to choose between classic heritage or rugged modern durability. The true superpower of the Remington 700 platform is its unparalleled aftermarket ecosystem, because it is the most copied bolt-action design in history. A beginner can start with a basic rifle and gradually upgrade every single component, including custom stocks, match, grade barrels, and specialized trigger groups, as their shooting skills mature. It is a timeless, duty-proven platform that offers a lifetime of adaptation and uncompromising mechanical precision. Number 3. The R10. When your shooting goals require rapid follow-up shots and maximum semi-automatic firepower, a quality entry-level R10 platform commands a starting retail price of roughly $1,200. Chambered in the hard-hitting .308 Winchester caliber, this platform scales up the classic ergonomics of the smaller AR-15 to handle the significantly increased pressures and physical dimensions of full-power battle rifle cartridges. The structural receiver groups are forged from heavy-duty aerospace aluminum, providing an incredibly rigid and durable chassis capable of handling sustained long-range operations. Modularity is where this platform completely shines over traditional bolt-action systems. A beginner can easily swap out buttstocks, pistol grips, charging handles, and handguards with basic tools to perfectly mirror their physical build and tactical requirements. This makes the platform an incredibly flexible tool that can easily pivot from large game hunting to precision benchcrest shooting or defensive operations. The heavier overall mass of the R10 receiver and buffer system plays a massive role in dampening the stout recoil impulse of the .308 round. For the shooter who wants semi-automatic speed, massive payload delivery, and an endless array of modular upgrades, the R10 stands out as a premier modern choice. Number 2. The Defense Procurement Manufacturing Services Oracle. Bringing classic semi-automatic styling to the large bore arena, the DPMS Oracle in .308 Winchester commands a retail price of approximately $850. This rifle is built to maximize maneuverability and speed, utilizing a versatile 16-inch heavy barrel that balances beautifully between close-quarters handling and long-range bullet velocity. The system incorporates an aluminum-free floating handguard that keeps your hands insulated from barrel heat, while ensuring that no external pressure disturbs the barrel during the shot process. The upper configuration is an engineered military-standard A3 flat-top receiver, giving you a completely level surface to mount advanced optics, thermal sights, or backup iron sights. The lower receiver is paired with a rugged paratrooper-style collapsible stock, allowing shooters to instantly adjust the length of pull to accommodate heavy winter clothing or body armor. To maintain total operational integrity in dusty or muddy field conditions, the upper receiver is equipped with a spring-loaded dust cover and a forward assist mechanism. The low-profile gas block reduces unnecessary bulk at the front of the weapon, while the full-length top Picatinny rail offers infinite optic mounting solutions. The Oracle delivers a highly reliable, incredibly robust optics-ready semi-automatic package that offers massive value for any shooter entering the large frame rifle world. Number 1. The Springfield M1A. Acclaiming the top spot on our list is a masterful modernization of an American military masterpiece, commanding a premium retail price of approximately $1,900 in 2026. The Springfield M1A is the civilian descendant of the historic M14 battle rifle, offering an incredibly smooth and reliable gas-operated rotating bolt mechanism that cycles full power .308 ammunition with flawless authority. This variant features a premium 22-inch national match grade barrel, delivering the extreme velocity and stabilization needed to punch targets out past the 1,000-yard mark. New marksmen can opt for a gorgeous traditional walnut stock that bleeds military heritage, or a high-impact, weather-sealed synthetic stock engineered to handle extreme environmental abuse. All critical steel surfaces, including the receiver and the barrel, feature a heavy-duty parkerized finish that protects the weapon against rust, corrosion, and field wear. Springfield also applies a non-reflective oil finish to their wooden variants to protect the organic fibers while preserving the classic look of the rifle. The fire control group is a crisp, two-stage military trigger that provides a distinct, highly predictable wall before breaking, giving the shooter ultimate control over every shot. Up front, a traditional birdcage flash suppressor disperses burning gases to mitigate muzzle flash and preserve your natural night vision during low-light shooting. Additionally, the stock includes a vintage fold-out steel butt plate that conceals an internal storage compartment for cleaning kits and essential field tools. The Springfield M1A wins our #1 spot because it combines breathtaking historical craftsmanship with an ultra-reliable match-grade semi-automatic system that will last for generations. Whether you choose the budget-friendly precision of a bolt-action Savage or the rapid-fire capability of a match-grade Springfield semi-auto, stepping up to the .308 Winchester caliber is a decision you will never regret. These 6 platforms represent the absolute pinnacle of engineering, durability, and user safety for anyone looking to master long-range marksmanship. Which of these platforms are you planning to add to your safe next? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our upcoming technical firearm reviews. Train hard, stay safe, and we will see you on the next line.